tour guide? Want to go across? Go on now? Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always, man, I almost forgot the intro just because I say food. Anyway, so we are out here in the middle quarters right now and we see some outdoor cooking going on. The guys know, so yo, me, that man, I love outdoor cooking. So we're gonna let our noses take us in the right direction. Anyway, one of my very favorite street foods is out here, which is peppered shrimp. And I think middle quarters has some of the baddest, some of the best pepper shrimp you can get in Jamaica, same way. You see me I say? So I'm gonna go sample a couple of them for the hungry one I want to eat. Shrimp for sure. Fritters. There's a can down there, so I don't know which way I want to go. I want to go down so? Alright. I'm gonna move with the ladies then. Can I say ladies first, ain't it? Alright, cool. Yeah man. See, I realize that them have to put them all mud up and everything so it's easy for wash at the end of the day.
Mr. Chef, what's the name of your store? Right now. There's only soup and farming you have.
So right now we're going to go look on some oh, corn. Oh, alright. It's a vibe. Yeah man, I something about this, I know. Don't have a little buzz. Buzz go on down so. The fire, the smoke, full like it's hot everything. So I want to get some corn out there, so you see me?
Yeah. There are Billy's Gossip Bar, Main Street, River Quarter.
Alright, so there are Billy's.
Yeah.
A vibe, yeah man. I tell you, don't have to the tea like it's a different vibe.
Yeah. Get wild corn, you get curry chicken, get rice and peas, peanut
like
curry,
a pork.
100 US you have it as. If you are Jamaica money, we still take it.
Yeah.
Come in.
Alright, see it,
Yeah. You know, have a nice pepper shrimp that you have wild that. Ready boiled.
Man, this wood by
the real logwood.
It's a real logwood, no?
Yeah.
Man, that bun flavor, man.
Yeah. Bone forever and it's a boiled corn.
Boiled corn.
Yeah, I have a nice pepper shrimp.
Yeah, man, we are going to support that, man. The boiled corn and the pepper shrimp.
Yeah.
Hold on there.
We have rice and chicken here.
We are fall back here.
Yeah.
Right, shit. What you shoot this?
Nothing too spectacular about it. Just
That's why I never order none. Cause I know the vibes. How was it? Sorry? Alright, so we go. So we just do a little support down this a while ago. Got some shrimp soup. I don't know, for me, I never went for the shrimp soup because I just want to eat shrimp by itself, bruh. You know what I'm saying? So, we're back down here, so. Yeah, the man with everything. Yeah, it's a huge part for me whenever I'm buying street food from people. I'm looking for that character, that person who is willing to like say, eh? Yo, what's up, brother? Everything's good, mate. Bless up. Yeah, that's her.
And I always say to her time, fun is a star.
Eh? Oh. Yeah man, yo, down here is a vibe. I want to try the food down here and thing.
You ready for running through now?
We're ready. Oh,
ready.
This is what me did want to look for now. Hold on, let me see where you're going with this.
These are the pepper shrimps.
That's the pepper shrimp.
Right, and right there you have the shrimp soup over here, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to see it, love to see it. Yeah man.
Those shrimps look good.
Those,
Right.
they
You
look.
have brown stew chicken right there.
Brown stew chicken.
Yeah, right here you have the boiled corn, ready boiled corn.
Boiled corn ready. Alright, I'd like a boiled corn right now.
Right. And here you have the nice rice and peas.
Yeah.
At a nice right here.
Yeah, man, we are supposed to think. It's a Billy's, right?
Billy's because it's part Main Street, Middle Quarter. You have
Main-
a vegetable soup. Who don't eat meat? This one for the man who don't eat meat.
Oh,
Veggie.
so the veggie soup.
Yeah, vegetable, no meat. No.
Boy.
Right, yeah. And down the line also you have the cow food with the bean.
Oh, cow foot and beans.
Yeah, cow food and bean.
Rotted.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the curry chicken. Curry
Curry
chicken and
chicken
rice
right
and
there,
peas.
so.
Very nice.
Yeah, man. I tell you, man. Alright, so I'm gonna start off really quick on the shrimp soup. I mean, it's good. I think it serves the purpose of soup. And I really bust I guess, but it's not. Yeah, I'm not tasting
the flavors.
flavors really. Yeah, it's a good soup.
What on fried chicken?
Alright, so I want to try your shrimp soup first. You understand? I want to see what your shrimp soup are going with. Alright, so Sir Billy, I'll show some shrimp soup real quick. Ah, look at that. Lovely. Come on, Billy want to have a little more shrimp flavor. And I get more Maggi too. Compare.
Yes.
Got it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, Billy. You win the first round. So Billy, I try hide off the extra food over there, so you know, the saltfish fritters and the fish and them thing there in there, but we go confiscate some of them from Billy.
Everything there.
Come on. So I go hold my can right now. Yes, sir.
Oh, nice seat too.
Friend draws seats. A long time. No, sorry, I can't see more. One, sorry. Eh? Listen, man, go sit down. The two bottom jaw, them need it. Them need it now. I want the brownish one. Okay, I want the brownish one, alright. Cut that. Really?
Yeah.
There you go, madam.
Alright.
There you go, sir.
The bottom jaw, them attack me. Hear them. So this is one of the real street food them in Jamaica, you understand? Right on the street right there, so. You understand? Chuck them apart, everybody. Fine? Take on.
What's that?
Thumbs up? Thumbnail?
Yeah.
Oh, where they going?
Come on, Judy.
Alright, I'm gonna compare the textures. Yeah, softer. So about 50 years basically.
No, yeah, because we started the business when I'm 11-year-old.
You started the business when you're 11? Come here, man, where you go?
I'm going to my business.
What you mean? What kind of business that you sell shrimp and cook?
Food and
You know, say, boy, he's a very entrepreneurial person. It's a good vibe. So the ladies really like the corn that is the lighter one, which is a bit, which is softer for sure. It's like a sweeter corn, but I prefer my corn like this. It's, I don't know, it's a manly corn. I don't think me both star up on something. You know what them think, Sarah? Oh. But I say, you say this the soup are better than. No, you can't beat your circle. Huh?
Yeah, man.
Watch out. Yo, that's messed up, bro. They ate my corn, yo. It's alright. Hey, we're gonna get my money back on me. Give me the money. You know what, again?
Yeah, buy it just like you.
And I take the money and just run. I think I US.
How much for the water?
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, the two can in park.
Hot one you want that?
Room temperature.
But the show must go on. So we're gonna hold some.
Room temperature.
We're gonna hold
Still
some
a
shrimp
room.
really quick. And what else we go get? Cause this might be like dinner time now. Yeah. I'm keen to try some fried chicken as well.
Alright, now you can see the water clear.
Yeah.
Look now, you know, I gotta change the color. This is what the people used to use the first time I made dye. To dye clothes. If you have a white shirt and you want it on purple, that's what the people used to use. They keep it a couple of minutes in the water.
And the water starts change color. Alright, so Billy forward some pepper shrimp so we can try them one and see what them taste. That's a soft shell. Yeah. So you pepper the soft shell one?
Me too.
Okay, just lick up it something like so well then.
Drop it in the comments, guys, if you know what I'm gonna say. It's nice.
Go on, Sarah. Taste it. I'm not gonna lie, you're the only person who suck on food so long.
For those who eat shrimp, do you eat the head or just the body?
So what point you suck on shrimp in the hand and the head?
Exactly, that's what everything they want.
The pepper gave a laugh. The pepper was just like. Good. Yeah, man, the pepper come out right
You know,
after.
taste the pepper until
The pepper saying what you say. Hey, hey, with your volume. You know, say you come, Billy. You know, say your father they hear me now. Look how Billy live. Cause we never see water change, but now I see it change, Billy. Yeah, man, I really talk. That's interesting. But you know what interesting right now? The food are ready for. Cause my belly sick a little bit, you know, so.
So you want some food now?
Yes, sir.
say what?
I'd like the fried chicken, leg and thigh, and more pork. You know the pork gravy? Comfort gravy with that. Sound like a vibe. Some real country fried chicken, master. Yeah. So we wait a bit more upon the fried chicken, ain't it?
Yeah man, it's gonna get the fried chicken.
Why?
2 more minutes you get from everywhere you want.
Alright, so guys, I don't mean to be philosophical and I don't mean to preach, but you know, as I sit here and we just wait for the food to get ready, I can't help but think about how powerful nigga right this is. Brother, sleep.
I thought you were gonna come with something else based on what we were talking about.
What more philosophical than nigga right this? So you're dancing the food ready, you know? sorry, you time the pot. You time the pot, brother. Anyway, so the food are short right now. You see me? Some rice and peas, some fried chicken. And I think that what's gonna set it off is gonna be that cow foot gravy, yeah man. That's gonna be it, man. You know, I don't understand. Oh, you have fried chicken and you walk where you go away. You see you go back and Moby and Morant be and come back. I flip the chicken and
Chicken juice,
yeah. Man, chicken oil? Yeah, man. See it there? Alright, some beers.
Alright.
Yes, aye. Billy, where's my tomato? You not put no tomato in a man. That's how I make a country food sell off when you have that whole of fresh tomato right tonight, just like how grandma used to do. Because guess what, grandma never go cut up him sitting there fancy flour. You understand? Alright, so let me see where I go now. Yeah, your plate look good. Food smell good. You're gonna need the chair right now, right? Yeah, you can. Yeah.
This is nice, Billy.
Try the beans. Like the rice and peas. That tomato set it off. I like it. I like it. Okay, we're saying that it could be a little salty, but for me, it's okay. It's real street food, country type of cooking. You understand? You have that pepper. You know, you eat chicken and say, oh, it's extra crispy. You know, you roll it for this and that. It just plain straightforward fried chicken. Not dry. Simply done, simply good. Smokiness on the fire. Turning it off. And then the oil is aged. So you probably fry 10 chicken to the night. So I get all of them flavor them. You don't come there. Come up to collect your feed. I'm sure God be, you know?
have some taste stars and it tastes so good. The tender, chewy chewy.
Crime scene. Hey, them say them a look back something for later, whatever the case is. No, I'm not going to later. Eh?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Jillian, mash up your food, one to you.
No, I saved my.
I have some for later. For me and vanilla. For me and vanilla.
What the box of us
Yeah, I did. I leave chicken and remember vanilla.
No, I understand the vanilla part, but
vanilla
what
meat. But remember, so she don't eat no meat from when we leave home.
Let's see your box. Bring your box come closer, man.
Chicken, you know, like
Then serve people hungry later.
And that one is on me and you? K-Star, you've been, when you came to Jamaica, you were searching for Juiceful. I'm going to tell you Juiceful is very much more pronounced in the country areas. So this one is for you, buddy. Why on that, dog?
Mark!
Why on that? Mark! I call Mark myself, yo! That's not right. You see me? Anyway, what's another box of this? You see me? Really?
Who distribute it? But this have been as much sugar as already.
Trade Winds, Citrus Limited. Vibes. So Billy just roll through all I go with some shrimp. They say, so how much is this? My God. What is this? Eh? Give me the money. Billy, tell me up there.
Extra? We'll get burrata?
What? One extra shrimp and joke.
How are you go then?
I really want extra sugar here.
Right, yeah, I tell you what can it is first?
We only ate one card. We
4 dozen cards.
we pity that
4
tree.
dozen.
How much can? Four card.
Alright, 4 can at 150 or one. What do you check?
450 that.
No. 150 or one. $600.
No, 600.
$600.
150 each.
150 each. How much soup now? One soup.
Yeah.
$200. And 3 chicken, 3 16, $1,800. How much drinks?
2 orange juice.
1 water and a champagne and a Pepsi. Alright, 150 for one of the drinks. 4 drinks of it, $600, $700.
How much party?
How much a pot? How much you never charge for much a pot? How much party everyone have to watch?
Alright, fun and joke aside, so we just came here, for me it's an experience sitting down by the roadside, having a good meal, trying a couple of things out here, and well, with Billy we spent $4,200, or maybe we washed $4,200 worth of pots. So that's a vibe. If you guys ever in Jamaica, in the middle quarter areas, check out Billy's restaurant, super personable. The food is pretty good. You're gonna get the whole vibe. Trust me, I guarantee you that on that. And if you guys are in search of Juiceful like my brethren, it's here. Anyway, I guess we can just wrap up the video right here. Again, guys, shout out to everybody who drops a like on the video, people who comment on the videos, and thank you so much for spending another day with us. Remember, drop a like on the video. It's super important. It helps so much. Remember these 3 things.
Love.
Oh my God, this is your favorite part. It's so.
Love, nature, adaptation, and always remember to keep the link.
Guys, that's so cool.